Welcome students
in our revision session of chapter number 1, that is nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the names of any person, places, animals or things. As you know, there are so many types of nouns. We have learnt common and proper nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns. What is a common noun? Common noun is a common name of any person, place, animal or thing. Right? Let us see different examples of common noun. Common name of person, places, animals and things. Now, there are so many girls around us. We can see different houses. We also have seen tiger in the Tiger National Park.
there are different varieties of mango available in the market. Thus, it is a
Common noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is a specific or a particular name of any person, place, animal or thing. This is a girl. We call this girl with her name. So what is her name? Her name is Kavya. So girl is a common noun and Kavya is a proper noun.
Tell me children, where do you live? You live in your house. Do you know the name of your house? I live in Krishna Bungalow. So, house is a common noun and Krishna Bungalow is a proper noun as it is a specific name of a house. These are tigers. Tiger is a common noun as you have seen so many tigers in the Tiger National Park. But if we call this tiger with a special name or any specific name like Sher Khan, then it is a proper noun. So tiger is a common noun and Sher Khan is a proper noun. As you know, in this season we eat mango. There are different varieties of mango. Which one you like? Hafus or Kesar? My favorite is Kesar mango. Here, mango is a common noun and Kesar mango is a proper noun. What is
Countable noun. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted in numbers. For example, 3 bananas. How many boys are there in your class? 17. So we can count the boys.
in numbers? There are 3 bars of chocolate. So, this is also a countable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is that noun which cannot be counted in numbers. For example, oil, salt, and juice are uncountable nouns. You know, children, we have learnt uncountable noun is a singular noun, so we use singular verb with it. This juice is fresh. So, is a singular verb. Countable noun can be written in 2 forms.
One is singular. Here, one ball. This is a ball. Plural form, 1 and 2 balls. So we write, these are balls.
What is singular noun? Singular noun refers to only one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Let us move on to another noun, that is plural noun. Plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal or
thing. Let us see with these examples. Singular noun means one bangle. Plural noun means more than one, means many bangles. One bat and two bats, more than one. There are some rules in plural noun. Most of the nouns become plural by just adding s. One ring, two rings. How many chairs are there in your house? One chair or many chairs? Here we only add s.
we add es to nouns that end with ch, sh, o, s, s, x and z to get their plural forms. This is one peach. If more than one peach, then it is peaches. As this noun ends with ch, we add es. One box, more than one box, it's boxes. We add es after this noun to make it plural. Nouns that end with consonant letter y, drop the y and add ies, like candy, candies. Children, there are some nouns which has vowel before the consonant. There we add only s to make it plural, like one toy and many toys. So here we add only s.
To form the plural of a noun that ends with f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. In this picture, wolf for one and wolves for more than one.
You have learnt some nouns
Do not change. They remain same in their plural forms. For example, one fish and more than one fish, fish. We are not adding es or s to make it plural.
Students, there are some exceptional nouns which do not follow the rules which we have learnt. These are cliff, cliffs, photo, and for more than one, we add only s to make this noun in plural form. So we write photos.
There are some irregular nouns. Let us see different examples. This is a picture of one woman and these are women, as they are more than one. One man, so many men. Let us see some other nouns. Goose means one goose, more than one, then geese. Instead of double O, we write double E. Ox. This noun ends with X. Though as it is an irregular noun, more than one, oxen.
So children, shall we do one activity? Write different nouns ending with ch, s, s, x, z, o, sh, f, fe and y. And also write the plural for each singular nouns.
Hope you enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.